Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channel Experimental Gardening. This video is about a pepper plant. This is a cow horn pepper and it has very big peppers and uh, it looks like cow horn. It turns like in a cow horn shape, so that's why it is called cow horn pepper. So I have bought it in the month of May 2023. So I'm going to uh, transplant it in a bigger pot so that it can grow its more roots. Once it will grow like 1 and 2 months, then I will put it in the ground so that it can grow more in the ground. So this is like maybe 2 months old plant, not much. So within 1 and 2 months it starts giving me the flowers and the fruits. So now I'm going to finish it. So I will show you once I will plant it in the ground. So what happened once I planted in the ground, and after 1.5 months I saw some fruits are there, but one chipmunk, she just cut the branches and all the fruits were on the floor, and I could not get more fruit from it. But after 1 month, it again became bigger and bigger, and it gave me like some of the fruits again. So I took out of three fruits I took from this plant because there were so many flowers. So I want to give them uh, energy so that if the fruit will be on the plant, then the energy will go to them to make them bigger and bigger. But I just took them out so that the energy will go in the other fruits. So in this way, I will get more and more fruits from them and the bigger size also. So what happened in the month of October, the weather start cold weather had started. So before the frost come, I have to save this plant for the next year because these are perennials. If you are living in warmer area, you don't have to overwinter them, but in northern area, you have to overwinter them. So I have taken this plant out of the ground and I don't have much of the roots, so I don't have to trim the roots, but the stem trimming is necessary for the overwintering of the plants. So just take some cuttings out of it, and if you see like 5 or 6 nodes are there, then this plant is good to overwinter. So just put it in your garage or in your basement and give water occasionally. They don't need much water when they are in a overwintering state. So guys, I hope you will also save this plant because you will get a head start in the next year when the weather will start warming up. Then you can plant them outdoor and they will grow vigorously. So you don't have to buy from the store. Thank you guys and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.